Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Sun Academy. I am Naresh Sir. Today in this lecture we are going to solve a question of preparing various types of budget in advanced accounts for T.Y.B. As you can see, the question is the selling expenses of Deva Company Limited for the last budget period are as under. Expenses are given for Ahmedabad and Surat branch as expenses are shown. Commission on sales is given. Packing charges are given. Salaries is given. Rent is given. Advertising and delivery van expense is given. Then after it has been said that following changes are to be made for next budget period. Commission is to be increased 20%, packing charges will reduce 10%, salaries will increase 50,000 at Surat, rent will increase at 10% at Ahmedabad, and advertising expense will increase 30%. New vehicle of rupees 1 lakh was added to both cities. At both cities, prepare budget. Now students, different type of expenses are given and additional information is added. So according to that we will make changes and write all the expenses. First expense is commission on sales. And that has to be said that 20% will increase. So this will be 1 lakh 80,000. Ago it was 150, adding 20%, 30,000 will increase, and this will become 1 lakh 20,000. Then after for packing, it has been said that these charges will reduce 10%. So second expense is packing. For Ahmedabad, it was earlier 2 lakh, now reducing 10%, that will also become 180, and reducing 15,000 at Surat, that will become 1,35,000. Earlier it was 150, from 150 we will reduce 10%, so that will stand at 1,35,000. Now third expense is salaries. Salaries earlier were 4 lakh and 3 lakh. It has been said that it has to be increased only at Surat by 50,000. So at Ahmedabad it will remain same 4 lakh, and at Surat earlier it was 3 lakh, adding 50,000, that will become 3 lakh 50,000. Nothing is to be done in these kind of sums, only what is said you have to do as per the adjustment or what is said. Rent will increase 10% at Ahmedabad. Now fourth expense is rent. At Ahmedabad it was earlier 1 lakh, increasing 10%, that will become 1 lakh 10,000, while at Surat that will remain same. Now fifth and next expense is advertising, that will increase 30% at both the branches. As you know, today advertising is the most important tool to increase the sales. Now 30% is to be increased. So at Ahmedabad it is 150, adding 30%, 45,000 will increase, and that will become 1 lakh 95,000. Earlier it was 1 lakh 50,000, 30% is to be increased, and here it is 2 lakh, so that will become 2 lakh 60,000. While delivery van expenses are 3 lakh and 250, and at last adjustment it has been said that delivery van of rupees 1 lakh was added at the both cities. So and delivery van expense 1 lakh is to be increased at both the cities as new vehicle has been added of 1 lakh. Now we will find the total of expenses of both the cities and total of expense wise of both the cities. Now 180, 183, 60 plus 4 lakh, 760, 110, that will become 870 plus 1 lakh 95,000 plus 4 lakh, that is 14 lakh 65,000 for Ahmedabad. Now for Surat, that is 120, 135, 350, 50, 260, 350, 12 lakh 65,000 is the total of expenses of Surat. Now if we find the total of both the cities as commission sales, that will become 1 to 3 lakh. 180 plus 3 lakh 15,000 expense of packing for both the cities. If we want to know what is the figure of the expense of the packing for both the cities, we can know that is 3 lakh 15,000. This will be 750 for expense of rent, sorry, salaries, and then after expense of rent, that is 110 plus 50, so 160, 195 plus 260, that will be 455. Expense of advertising for both the cities. Then after at last delivery van expense, that is 7 lakh 50,000. Now 27 lakh 30,000 is the total of the all expense of both the cities. Nothing was in this question as what was said, that is applied. In each and every expense what has been said, I gave the effect of all these things and only did the total of expenses of both the cities, and expense wise total was done. So if you want to learn hard sums on this chapter, do follow continuously, and if you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe, and you should share the link of all the videos so other students can also get benefit.